Sinking funds, cash stuffing time. Hi everyone, welcome back to Budget of Oz. My name's Sarah, a disabled low-income budgeter, and today we're going to be doing our cash stuffing for our sinking funds for the second fortnight in November. Alright, here's some cash, let's give it a count. $100, $50, $200, $20, $40, $60, $80, $300, $25, $325. Okay, so we're going to be jumping all over, I think, my binders this fortnight, putting a little bit into, I think, a little bit of everything. So first up is the high priority, as we are, of course, having to refill our, oh shit, basically stuff happens. So we need to start restuffing the excesses and the emergency funds. So we're going to be putting, I'm pretty sure 100, just checking my budget, so 100 into excess and 50 into emergency straight away. So that's just we need to start building those back up quick because, you know, very important. Hopefully the claim I put in for my house insurance will get me some money back, but you know, who knows? It's kind of one of those things, isn't it? I actually need to check on that tomorrow. Okay, next we're going to go to business binder, and we're going to be adding 75, so 50, 75. Let's give this a count. Okay, 51, 50, 70, 90, 310, 320, 330, 340, 345, 350, 355, 360. So 360 in here. Okay, that's good. All right, next we will go to, move that out of the way. I'm going to go to self, and I'm putting $20 into treat for myself. This, I feel really bad about doing this actually, but it is Christmas coming up, and I don't know, I feel like I should give myself something. And then I'm gonna go over here to like my long-term saving goals for myself, and I'm gonna put $20 into travel because it's a long-term saving goal. So that'll be good. And then we are going to home. So the home one. Home, we are going to be doing, we're going to go straight, first of all, I'm going to go to repair buffer. And first off, we're putting $20 into the repair buffer because I have emptied this out due to having to, you know, emergency unstuff. I'll leave a video here. You know, lovely having all of that done. And we will also, I think it's home reno, I'm putting the extra 20 into, and then I'm trying to remember All right, that I did have another one in self. It was educational. So where's this other 20? I remember. It's for education. That's right. Because we are still enrolled in our grad certificate. So next semester, there are always costs. Okay. All right. That's all of our sinking funds cash stuffed. Sorry, it's a little bit chaotic. My budget was written, usually I write it in the like binder categories, but that did not happen this fortnight. If you saw my fortnightly budget, it was kind of like hitting priorities, not grouping them together. So yeah. So thank you for being here. I'm so glad that you're here, and I want to say thank you for all of the lovely support. Please feel free to ask me any questions in the comments down below. I'll try to either answer them now or I'll answer them in an upcoming video. If you're a true one and you've been here long enough, you know green heart in the comments below makes my heart feel joy. You can find me anywhere on the internet. I'm just at Budget of Oz everywhere. And you can find my short form content on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts. But if you're here, you're on YouTube, so you already see my YouTube content. So watch some of my shorts if you want to. I just want to say thank you for everyone. It's just been amazing, all of the love and the support that I've gotten this year. It's been really wonderful and really cool. And it's really great, and people have been really happy about supporting my idea for doing 12 days of Savemas. So yeah, come along and see me do 12 days of saving content and cash stuffing content. So yeah, as always, I'm so glad that you're here. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.